Hey guys, my name is Brian and I'm from LittleHearts Malaysia and I'm an angel. Today we are here at 𝐿𝐿Kids Malaysia to hear more about their community project. Without wasting any time, let me invite the owner of 𝐿𝐿Kids, Akila, to share more about what her and her school is doing. Akila?
Hello, hi, welcome to 𝐿𝐿Kids Bangsar. It is such a pleasure for us to have you with us and for us to share some of our daily activities that we do. At 𝐿𝐿Kids we encourage participation in community work in many different forms. So today you'll be seeing one of them. The children will be planting and harvesting their own organic vegetables in the veggie patch, and these vegetables will be used or will be included in their lunch later on, which is great.
Great.
Another way of us to contribute to the community is also for us to do our annual charity drive. This year it's in conjunction with Ramadan, and we have received so many contributions from all the families from all 3 centers, and which we are very thankful for. But before, without me speaking too much, let's have a look at what the children are up to at the vegetable patch.
Explain more about the place here.
Yeah, so this is our playground or outdoor area that the children spend most of their time in the morning and also in the afternoon. So we encourage a lot of outdoor play. So this is our vegetable patch. Let's have a look. Hi Layla. Hi children.
Hi Layla. What are you doing? I am watering the vegetable plant. Plants need plenty of water and sunshine to grow. What are those? These are spring onions and those are spinach. Those are my vegetables. Let's take a basket. Let's go.
Let's go, kids!
Let's take the basket. There you go. Okay, what do you do? Take the basket. Take the basket. Okay, what do you say? Let's take the vegetables to the cook. Let's pass these vegetables to the cook. Pass these vegetables to the cook. Yes, make this go.
This for you. Hi.
Yeah, good job. I want to drink my soup.
Good job. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come back.
Layla, you know when I went to bird park with my Chinese friends, I hold Jan's hand for very long. For the whole bird. Isabel, did you know we have donated food for children in need? Yes, those are ways to give back. Let's give those to the uncles and aunties.
Lila first, come. Shake hands.
Hi.
Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. You want to die,
one of a kind. Each other special and body and mind. Take my hand and together we'll shine. Things are much better when we do them together. We can help each other if we work together. Everything's better when we do them all as one. There comes a time we all understand when we're confused, so helping hand. Someone who believes we can reach for the stars. Things are much better when we do them together. We can help each other if we work together. Everything's better when we do them all as one.
Thank you so much for joining us at 𝐿Kids Bangsar. Hope to see you again.